Okay, you're on.
I'm on? Alright.
On fire! I do this. Do you feel that pressure on you?
No.
It's a good thing you guys always lock your door, because I would be in here.
In here raiding the stash.
Eat all of your, yes. I want your goodies. I actually have been eating really good though.
Good.
Like super freaking healthy. I'm kind of sick of it now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's like this whole week for dinner, like plain chicken breast. Well, not plain, seasoned obviously.
Yeah.
But chicken breast and then
But no,
a
like-
salad. But there's like a small, my portions have been real small.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get that summer 6-pack before summer starts.
Good.
And then I'm probably gonna lose it.
Afterward.
Yes.
Oh, but food is so good.
Well, yeah, it's good, and then I don't know. I feel like I'll get really lazy.
Yeah.
But I might work at another fitness center there, and then I'll have a free membership.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll just do that in the morning, teach a class, and then work out and then go to work. Continue.
Okay.
Oh no, honey, Mama isn't sitting down. Sorry. What are the daddy for?
2 oranges in the same one.
It's too bad. Mm-hmm.
We don't have to redo the video, it'll be fine. Take a deep breath and let it go.
Let it go.